Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Flightstats app keeps loading. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Flightstats app. Now tap on app info option. Here tap on storage usage. And now tap on clear cache. And now clear data. And OK. Now close this app and go to Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Now tap on search option in the bottom right corner. Now tap on search bar on the top and here type flight stats and now search it. So here you can see open button, but you will see update button instead of this. So simply tap on that update button to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you.